How to log into Dayforce account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log in into Dayforce account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a web browser on a device. Using the address bar at top of the screen, type in www.dayforcehcm.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on the official interface of Dayforce where you'll get the login section. So all fields are required to be filled, that is, first you have to enter your company name, then your username, and after a while, the password to log into your account. If you can't access your account, click on Can't Access Your Account to recover your account. After all the credentials have been addressed, click on Login button to log in into Dayforce account. So that's it. I hope this guide works, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.